Welcome to Wake Up and Live. This is Bob Montego. If you're like me that grow a lot of pineapple, or you like pineapple and you buy a lot of pineapple and you don't really know what to do with it, I'm going to show you today how to make a very refreshing drink from the pineapple. This is a very big pineapple I reaped yesterday. You can see freshly where I cut it from this stalk right here. I grow a lot of pineapple. And my pineapples this week bore a lot of, I left them on and they started ripening, and I'm afraid the raccoons will start getting to them. So I cut them, and I'm gonna make a nice refreshing pineapple lemonade. But before I do that, I have one little problem. I notice my mangoes are all over the ground, my mango trees. This mango season, so you can't see them very well, but they're up on the top. But they're all over the ground. I'm just gonna pick these up real quickly. I'm not making a mango drink, but I can perhaps make the flavor a little better if I oops, there's a lot. Okay. Oops, there's another one. Okay. Alright, I don't want this to be a mango video, so I'm gonna go inside. Alright, so I've collected all the mangoes of my pineapple here, and I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you how to make a nice pineapple lemonade. Looks like I disrupt my little friend over there, the frog. You can see it jumping. Where is it? See it hiding from me? There, see it there? See it right up there? Yeah, see it moving? Yeah. Don't want to really disturb it. Okay, it's gone. Alright, this is its habitat, and I try to coexist with everything. This is my air-conditioned draining pipe, and there's water down there, so it's an amphibious animal, so it likes to stay down there. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll make you a nice pineapple lemonade drink. Okay, so we have our pineapple right here, but we're not going to use the pineapple because I already prepared some pineapple here. All right, so when you're making the pineapple lemonade, remember, you're not making pineapple juice, so you do not need to blend the pineapple. What we're using is we take the pineapple and we wash the skin properly in the sink, wash it off properly. When we peel the pineapple, then we take the skin and we put in these are pineapples I picked during the week. I allow them to ripe so they turn yellow, so they might look a little different. But you take the pineapple skin that you peel off, and you soak it in some cold water. Do not leave it out of the fridge because it will start breaking down, start fermenting, and start turning into something else. So we put it in cold water, put it in the fridge, so the breakdown is slower, but the juices and stuff from in the pineapple skin, from the inner part of the pineapple, starts seeping into the water and gives a mild flavor. Very nice mild flavor. It's not a heavy flavor. Not everybody can drink pineapple because they think it's itch their throats. So we try to make it a light pineapple liquid so we can make the lemonade. Okay, so we have the pineapple, we have our lime, and I said before, when you're selecting limes, the skin needs to look thin like this, or it should look shiny. But even then, it will still need some juicing up. So the way we juice it up is to rub it under. Let's put it under your hand and rub it real quickly, and that will loosen up the pulps and make the juice fresh. So we have our lime cut and ready to go. We're gonna pour off the pineapple water. Oops, and you can see that I'm spilling and being a slob right now. Okay, just to let you know, I do have some pineapple water already collected in a bottle. So I'm just gonna pour what we have in here. Here we go, pouring in, and we're gonna leave a little bit in the bottom, okay, to take the lime. We're gonna squeeze the lime in. Pineapple lemonade, very refreshing. Squeeze off some of the pulp on the side. Squeeze the other one. Lime is very nutritious, just to let you know, rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, high in ascorbic acid, which makes up vitamin C, which is a very powerful antioxidant, makes any drink nutritious. All right, I put, this is sugar. I had about 4 teaspoons of sugar. All right, we're gonna mix it in. Mix out the sugar a little bit. Mix it in. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to pour the rest of it into this. Now, pineapple, incidentally, pineapple is so rich in vitamins, and vitamin C especially too, but very rich in vitamins, multiple vitamins. I've read reports, I've even read a gynecology report which says pineapple is so rich that when you drink it, women particularly, it permeates the body, and it even reconstitute the feminine odor down there, if you know what I mean. Gives you a refreshing smell, and even your breath. If you're in public and you're trying to figure out what to drink, pineapple is a very refreshing drink. Helps, you know, give you nice fresh breath and so forth. All right. So we've poured in the pineapple in there. We put in, so this is about 36 ounces, a little less than 36 ounces. I know my bottle very well. So you have about 36 ounces of pineapple water in there, a whole lime, some sugar. That's how simple it is. And I like to just shake it. Shake it here to complete the drink. Okay. This is very, very refreshing. All right, let me get a little sample of it. And very, very refreshing. All right, for the summer months and very hot temperatures, this is very thirst quenching. Unlike the pineapple juice itself, which is thicker, it's not as heavy. It's very thirst quenching because it's light. It's not as sweet for those who don't like things too sweet. It's just light, refreshing, and very thirst quenching. It's very cheap to make, very economical, and very delightful. All right, so there you go, pineapple lemonade. If you wanted to, you could add a little mango juice to it. That's if you want to, or you can even jazz it up with a little Jamaican White Rum. Or if you're Latino, you could use a Bacardi White Rum. All right, so there you have it, pineapple lemonade. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please remember to subscribe, like, and share my video. Thanks for watching again. This is Bob Montego with Wake Up and Live.